How to use television in Cadillac Escalade 2016 only way. Most people get this wrong, but using the television in a 2016 Cadillac Escalade isn't as simple as pressing play. You won't believe the steps that unlock the entertainment system safely and legally. First, the vehicle must be in park. For safety reasons, the Escalade disables video playback while driving. Turn on your infotainment system and navigate to the rear seat entertainment controls. The screen will usually be in the center console or mounted behind the front headrest. Next, check the television input. Press the source button on the rear controls or remote. You can choose between built-in channels, HDMI input or DIV to playback. For HDMI devices, simply connect your device and select HDMI as the source. For DIVs, insert the disc into the player and the system will recognize it automatically. If the screen is locked or shows system disabled, you need to enable video playback. Go to Settings, then Safety and check Rear Entertainment Video Enable. This allows the screen to play content while the vehicle is parked. Finally, adjust the volume and screen settings. Each passenger can control brightness, contrast, and volume individually. Make sure headphones are connected if you don't want sound through the main speakers. In conclusion, using television in a 2016 Cadillac Escalade requires the vehicle to be in park, selecting the correct input, enabling rear entertainment video in settings, and adjusting screen and audio preferences. Follow these steps and your passengers will enjoy movies and shows safely and comfortably.